You know what? Time and time again, we find ourselves criticizing ourselves, blaming ourselves, or maybe saying to ourselves in our mind, you know what? I'm not good enough. This sentence keeps on going on and on until our mind is so much negative that everything around us feels like it's against us. We probably will not survive or will not thrive in this world. The point to understand is to take a deep breath, to relax, and to think about whatever you have done well in your life. See, the whole idea is to put that lens from which you can see all the good that you have done, all the good that you have created out there. Because there will be certain people out there who will bring you down. There will be certain episodes or it happening in your environment that will bring you down. Of course, the opposite, the good will also happen. But right now, I'm talking about if something or the other happens where already you're negative and something else negative happens, then that is the moment you need to realize that not all and not everything is bad. There are certain things, there are my achievements, there are certain things that have also happened good. And this is the moment you need to bridge in that gap. You need to define that and come out of this setup of mind where you're thinking so negatively, so that you can help yourself. Because as we say in the even the aeroplanes, the air hostess says, first help yourself to help others. So help yourself, come out of this negative thinking, stop blaming yourself, stop criticizing yourself, and look out for the positives only. Be grateful in your life. Be grateful for the people who have come in your life. Because after all, this life is short and you never know where this life takes you. So each and every day, find that one thing that you can be grateful about.